Hi guys, this is Zach Connor with Logan Graham and Connor Accountants. I want to welcome you to our first Q&A Tuesday. It may not be as exciting as a Taco Tuesday, but I will do my best to make it almost. Last week we asked you guys to ask us anything, and this week I'm going to answer one of those questions that we got. So it's from Abby, and she's asking, hey, what's the biggest mistake small business owners make when it comes to filing their taxes correctly? As you know, I'm new to the business owner world and I'm mildly terrified of doing it all wrong. There's a number of things, Abby, and don't be scared. I'm scared of the kitchen, so we all have our strong suits. Number one is I want you to begin with the end in mind. So Zach, what's the end? Well, you're right, you have to file some taxes, and then to get to that point, you have to do some bookkeeping. I recommend that one, you get your business its own bank account and separate from your personal account. That's going to make it a lot easier if you just run business stuff through one bank account to make the bookkeeping process easier. We do bookkeeping for two reasons, right? One reason is compliance with the IRS, and number two reason is provide information to county. If you're beginning with the end in mind, you went into a business for a multitude of reasons. One of them is probably to generate an income, but you have to have your accounting work to make decisions off of that. So if you're not keeping up with your books, it may hinder your business a little bit, and then make filing a tax return very hard because you're going to come in with that big box of receipts, and I'm going to be, so keep up with your bookkeeping. Next, I guess number two is how are you structured? To provide the biggest benefit for a business, you have to be structured. Every business can be structured differently, meaning taxed as a C corporation, an S corporation. It can be taxed as an LLC, defaulted to a partnership status, a number of different ways. There isn't really one better than the other, but one may fit you better. Like a shoe may fit this person a lot better than it does somebody else. So there may be a business entity that fits you better. Typically when a client comes in, that's already been decided. So what I asked was like, hey, when this is being started up, let's begin with the end in mind. Are we going to make $200,000? Well, if we do, we may want to be set up as an S corporation, but it's just because of kind of the nuances of that. So my biggest thing is, one, begin with the end in mind. Why are you in business? Number two is keep your bookkeeping up to date, so you can get financial statements not only on a yearly basis, but on a monthly basis. How are you doing from the previous month? So, Abby, I hope I answered your question. You guys have a good one. If you want more of these questions answered, feel free. I want to be of service to you guys in the community. So take care. See you next week. Bye bye.